Namaskar. I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. Even after being repeatedly proven wrong, Hindenburg Research refuses to stop its conspiracies against India. The notorious American short-selling firm shamelessly persists in profiting from falsehoods while deliberately sowing seeds of chaos in the Indian market. In a fresh but equally dubious attempt like the previous ones, the short seller group once again targeted the Adani Group, claiming that Swiss authorities have supposedly frozen over $310 million across 6 Swiss bank accounts linked to the group under the pretext of an investigation into money laundering and fraud. The Adani Group outrightly rejected these allegations by Hindenburg as false and baseless. In a statement, the group said that it has no connection with any Swiss legal proceedings, nor has any account of theirs been seized. Their overseas holding structure is fully transparent and compliant with the law. They expressed without hesitation that this is an attempt by those trying to harm their reputation and market value. Earlier, Hindenburg shared a copy of purported Swiss order as evidence of its claim. But the Adani Group responded that the alleged order neither mentions any of the group's companies nor has any request for clarification been received from any authority or regulator. Though this is not the first time Hindenburg has tried to create instability in the Indian stock market by making allegations against Adani. In the past, this American short-selling company has made false claims to gain profits. In 2023, Hindenburg accused the Adani Group of everything from money laundering to stock manipulation. On January 24, 2023, Hindenburg Research published a report on the Adani Group which led to a significant drop in shares of the group's companies. However, SEBI, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, took note of the situation, dismissed the allegations and issued a notice to Hindenburg. Later, investigations revealed that this American company made such claims in order to make profit from short selling. Earlier this year, Hindenburg again conspired against the Adani Group and attempted to damage its shares. But this attempt failed as people did not believe Hindenburg's absurd reports and false claims. The company also accused SEBI chairperson Madhabi Puri Buch of having business ties with Adani Group, although it had no evidence for this. In the end, Hindenburg's claims were proven wrong. The recent conspiracy by Hindenburg, which claims itself as a leading short-selling firm, blatantly exposes how deeply the West is threatened by India's progress. Whether it's biased UNICEF ranking that lists India among the top 10 countries where children face severe malnutrition, the West's dismissive attitude towards Indian advancements in science, the anti-India stance of Western media, geopolitics, or now the stock market. This pattern reveals how uncomfortable the West is with India's rising development. As Indians, we must recognize that such claims are not only baseless and false but are deliberate attempts to undermine our nation's economic and social fabric. Jai Hind.